Go ahead and get comfortable, making sure your back is supported so you can relax fully. Your eyes can be open, closed, or half gaze. And begin by taking 5 deep breaths right into your belly. Feeling your belly, your ribs, your chest expand on the inhale and relax on the exhale. Keep going just like that at your own pace. Feeling the air flowing into your body and out of your body. And after your 5th deep breath, allow your breathing to find a natural rhythm. And begin to bring your attention to your feet, the soles of your feet, the toes, the arches and the heels, and imagine a gentle wave of awareness that starts at your feet and brings your body soothing nourishment and relaxation everywhere it comes in contact with. So right now, imagine this wave of awareness flowing through your feet, bringing nourishment here, rising through the tops of your feet, the ankles, soothing and relaxing both of your feet. And allow the wave of awareness to keep rising up through the lower parts of the legs, the shins, the calves, soothing and nourishing everything along the way. Let the wave of awareness flow up through your knees, soothing and relaxing them. And then keep going up through the upper parts of your legs, the thighs, the hips, nourishing every part here. Allow the wave of awareness to flow through your pelvis, your lower belly, your lower back, soothing, nourishing, and relaxing every area here. Keep rising up through the whole belly and the mid-back, your ribs, your chest, and the whole upper back, bringing relaxation throughout. And gently shift your attention to your shoulders, inviting the wave of awareness here. Let it relax both shoulders and then cascade down your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, your palms, each finger, and both thumbs, inviting your arms and shoulders to let go and to relax deeper. And gently switch your attention to your neck, the front of the neck, the back of the neck, and allow the wave of awareness to float up through your jaw, your mouth, your cheeks and your nose, your eyes and the space around the eyes, inviting your eyes to relax, and rising up through your eyebrows and the space between the eyebrows, your forehead, your temples, your ears, the back of the head, and the top of the head. Sensing your whole body from the top of your head down to the fingertips and all the way down to the soles of your feet. Becoming aware of your entire body. And I will be quiet for just a few moments to let you explore this space and to see what comes up. And then I will lead you out of the meditation. gently deepen your breath, taking 3 deep breaths right into your belly. Begin to wiggle your toes, your fingers. Feel free to circle your wrists and ankles and do any stretches that your body might want to do right now. Take a moment to do so. And giving yourself time to transition, whenever you're ready, return to your day.